Hello, teams. Welcome back to the block.
All right. Yeah. We're back.
Happy to meet you.
Believe it or not.
When I got the call to come back to Rock the Block, I was like, let me call Mitch. As soon as I say redemption, we're in.
Yeah, those are fighting words right there.
That was right there. We were like, oh, we were ready.
I think we just wanted to show that, you know, we didn't win anything on the last season, on season 3. So we just thought it'd be fun to come back and try again.
Season 3, we learned a lot.
So everything's storage is in here.
Yes.
You might have someone see this dark blue color and maybe not like it. It's different.
We don't like to lose. So we came here for redemption to prove to ourselves and everyone else that we deserve our name on that side.
We survived Colorado.
We did. Colorado was amazing.
We learned, we grew, we lost. So why not have another chance to do what we love to do?
With its waterfront views, colorful sunsets, and of course, its coastal charm. Treasure Island, Florida was the perfect location for this epic rematch. We're dockside at the first waterfront property ever on Rock the Block. Yeah. As you can see, they're just 2 buildings. So in another Rock the Block first, the homes are attached. Your 4 luxury waterfront homes are each 3,600 square feet with a current market value of $1.7 million.
Dang.
Whoa. Wow.
You guys made some very definitive decisions. I'm still on the fence about the lack of a dining room, and I know this serves the purpose.
Do you have a formal dining room at home?
We do have a formal dining room.
How often do you use it?
We never use it. We walk by it, and I say, that's my formal dining room.
We like Egypt and Mike. We have a lot of respect for them in the industry, but I feel that they have a very similar style to us and banter, and they just feel comfortable.
This is completely different from anything. Yeah. I mean, just the concept alone and how you executed it, marvelous.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So you should be proud of yourselves. Welcome, judges. Wow. Egypt and Mike, they have that same dynamic. Real estate agent, long, term real estate agent, and builder as well. Yep. And so I knew that they would be looking for, especially Egypt, added value first. Do we have a pantry? Of course there's a place to put everything.
There's not a kitchen without a pantry.
Right.
I'm overwhelmed with the amount of cabinets in a good way.
Yes.
Okay? We really wanted to make sure that we even pushed our design further, pushed our layout further, so that there was no denying that this is the winning kitchen and dining.
Yeah.
I was blown away by every single space. And I'm not saying that just to be saying it. When I tell you guys kick butt, you really came for redemption.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The winners of the Rock the Block kitchen and dining room renovation is Paige and Mitch.
Never in doubt.
When they announced us as the winners, but honestly, and I don't mean to sound, cocky right now, but I was not surprised.
I was a little emotional. I teared up because we worked so hard and we wanted to redeem ourselves in the kitchen so bad. Yeah. And I was like, we did it.
Not only was it challenging for our designers, even our judges had a hard time crowning the winner for week 2. In week 2, Brian and Mika Kleinschmidt came to judge the living room and additional first floor spaces.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what?
Whoa. I feel like I've just been transported to a completely different destination. This is beautiful.
They got a full closet, a full walk-in closet.
Nice.
And another full bathroom.
They made it feel like they had more square footage.
They really did.
They fit 2 bedrooms in here.
Did they do enough to get their first win?
Whew, strong possibility.
I wish I would have known about the elevator before we took the stairs up.
Whoa, look at this. Oh, wow. Now, this is what I wanted to see.
Whoa.
Somebody actually take use of the entire wall for the view. This really could be like a winning move.
For the first time ever on Rock the Block, we have a tie.
Wow.
Keith and Evan.
And
and Brian and Sarah.
So we were very hopeful that we were going to win that one. Unfortunately, we tied. The first time in Rock the Block history that there was a tie.
At the end of the day, you know, the announcement of a tie is like, well, you kind of won.
Congrats to both teams.
It was definitely harder judging this time around than it has been in other seasons.
Yes, both teams, Evan and Keith, and Brian and Sarah, their spaces were so incredible. We would have felt bad picking one or the other, so we couldn't choose.
The winner of the Rock the Block Main Suite renovation is... Paige and Mitch.
Well, when Christina announced us as the winners for the main suite, I was in shock at first because she has a good poker face. I mean, like, we weren't shocked that we won because we figured we had the best main space, but I was shocked because everybody's space sounded amazing.
Shocked but not surprised.
Yes, there we go.
It was disappointing to do a closet and a main suite like that and not get the win. Because, I don't know, I just feel like we probably should have.
Felt like a real redemption moment there, so that was disappointing.
Another new element this season included teams having their own pool to design. Question is, did they sink or swim?
First time in Rock the Block history, pools. First time in the Twins history, designing pools. I feel like with the pool, there's just a lot of details. It's not just putting a pool in the ground. No. It's materials, location, shape, entry point, hot tub, no hot tub, waterfall, no waterfall, all of it. A lot goes into it.
All the details that go into a pool too are kind of overwhelming. You have to pick like this, the border, the coping, the tile, the other finish, the color.
There's a lot to do left, huh?
Pool is a lot of work.
I know.
I did really enjoy it. It was really fun to lay it out. We've got some beautiful symmetry going on, which I always love.
And then very pretty.
This view is
I can just imagine sitting here, just like watching the boats go by.
For week 4, we brought back Florida experts Brian and Mika Kleinschmidt.
In Florida, we like to think of our backyards as our oasis. We get to enjoy them year-round here. So they're kind of important, just as important as an interior room.
We're so lucky to have you guys back to judge our backyard spaces.
I can feel the sunshine in the middle of the night through the darkness.
It looks like you guys thought of every single little detail back here. I mean, this is incredible.
We are lucky enough to have a dead center view.
Yeah, you do.
So the whole design was to keep everything as symmetrical as possible.
Yeah, I like the symmetry and the shape of this pool. It's simple, it's not over the top, because you're allowing every other feature to be like the moment. Oh my goodness, this is so resort-like.
You elevated this space in every sense of the word. You know what I'm not noticing that is gonna be very tricky to add is a hot tub. Every other house has had one.
Everyone has the hot tub, but very, very few people use it. It's an added expense to maintain.
We use our hot tub more than our pool.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is definitely fun. This fits your personality so well.
The color pop brings energy.
Yes.
You know what, girls? Y'all know you got that energy.
Very well done.
The winner of the Rock the Block backyard renovation is...
Lindsay and Leslie.
Michelle and Veronica, it is time.
Oh, so the winner of
Rock the Block exterior renovation is...
Sarah and Brian.
The level of thought and detail is beyond. From the plants to the art project, walking through, and on that dock, I don't know, Sarah, you really make me want to be a better designer.
It actually made us emotional.
Yeah, and I'm taking a couple things home with me.
Yeah.
That's next level.
Thank you. Great job. Thank you.
As fun as that challenge was, little did they know that at week 5 judgings, they were in for another big surprise. So this is usually when I say something like, I'll see you bright and early back here tomorrow. But I'm not gonna do that today because we're not gonna meet back here tomorrow.
Oh.
In the morning, look for a text from me.
Oh, God.
With a location of where to meet.
This is ominous.
For week 6, we wanted to see how flexible our teams were. So we surprised them with designing a brand new flex space in 48 hours. Each team left the warehouse with a different theme for their flex spaces and worked around the clock to get their spaces ready for judging. But the extra space wasn't the only surprise for week 6. The twists kept coming. For the first time ever on Rock the Block,
I'm so nervous right now.
your judges will be you.
I knew it! I knew that!
So here are the rules. You cannot vote for yourself, nor can you be in the space when it's toured by your competitors.
Oh. Oh, they did the music room.
Pulled that together nicely, didn't
Yeah,
they?
it's cute. I like the wallpaper. Very nice and cozy. So as it compares to like our space, what do you think?
We've got the day bed, which is going to make this room feel like way more open in the center.
Yeah.
So it feels like a bedroom to me.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know.
So I thought we were going to see more of a studio, but I know we had to make it a flex room.
Yep.
So it's like a multi-purpose space with the bed. And the thing is that we took the trundle. So
We're the only ones that got it.
I mean, a trundle would have been great in here because you could have put a drum. You could just added some more instruments, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Another mystery. Very classy. It is very classy.
Mr. and Mrs. Baumler. It's so cute in here. Look at the doors.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh, this is so sweet.
I love that light.
At first I was like, oh no, we're gonna judge each other. This is gonna be a disaster. But then I was like, it'll be fun. It'll give us insight into each other's spaces.
Well, not only that, but it breaks up the routine.
Yeah.
And I think that's what we needed that week.
For sure.
All right, Keith and Evan. Let's see what you have going on. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous. And the beautiful little sconces.
They've got vanity and nice solid counter, beautiful faucet.
Being judged by your peers is the great equalizer. You can't vote for yourself. So, you know, it's not a popularity contest. It's not anything. It's just, it's a raw number that comes out. And I think it was good.
The clay grout on the marble river stone was a mistake. I feel that just looks dirty. I wanted to love it because this is such a cool room.
Lindsay, they set it up for us. Oh, it's like a podcast.
It feels like it's not just a bedroom.
Well, it doesn't feel like a bedroom at all. My immediate thought.
Yeah.
Very good job implementing the social media challenge.
Oh my gosh, big time.
Multi-use. I'm not feeling as much bedroom.
No. But
That's all I'm saying.
definitely the challenge. This is fun.
Yeah.
The screen.
Yeah, love the neon.
I feel like I need one of these.
You don't. I know you don't. Lindsay, I know everything you need. Okay, look,
That's
and then
fun.
bathroom. Oh, wow. Okay, I love the black tile. The sconces are beautiful, and I like the big mirror.
Yeah.
It's so cool that that light up there makes the whole space feel infinite.
I like the faux terrazzo.
By keeping the floor light, the darkness on the walls is a great contrast.
I thought judging everybody's spaces was fun.
Yeah, it was all right.
I thought it was fun being able to do that. And I really feel, honestly, that everybody was fair.
The winner of the multi-purpose bedroom renovation is Brian and Sarah.
Oh, yeah. Good job, you guys.
We won, so we should have had our peers judge everything. We should do this for every space.
Our teams worked tirelessly on their final spaces to see who could add the most value to take home the win. And the teams got to walk through each other's spaces for the first time.
Welcome to Coastal Chic.
This is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Wow.
So you can serve some drinks to your guests?
Yeah,
or
buddy.
hanging out on the balcony?
We really designed from the outdoor, so everything is nice and open when you want.
I love that.
Oh my gosh, look at that chandelier!
This is what we've been seeing outside.
Oh, wow.
These
closets are huge.
I'm so proud of you!
Oh my God, this is amazing.
I am so proud of you. As your judge for your closet
Oh
on your
my
third
God.
season.
Oh, have you come a long way?
Oh my God, yes. This is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Hello, welcome. This is our house.
I peeked around the corner a lot, and I did not get the scope of this.
So we did a whole suite back here.
Oh, wow. So y'all did a whole suite.
We did a whole suite.
I'm like, I can't figure out where they got all this space from.
Nice.
You know what I mean? When you do it differently.
This is really
Huge.
nice.
Wow.
This whole space, I kept thinking, like, if I went on vacation with my girlfriends in Florida, what would I want the space to, like, feel like or look like? And this is what we created.
Oh, I love that.
Very cool.
Oh,
Okay, Bob.
look who's here. Welcome.
Okay, Bob.
It's like a magazine cover in here.
And welcome.
Whoa.
Welcome.
Wow. You just like completely reimagined the entire space.
You guys are like next level with your curved ceiling, your curved walls. I mean, it's just gorgeous.
The time had finally come for Jonathan Scott and myself to announce the winners. All right, guys, this is it. The winner of Rock the Block Redemption is Lindsay and Lance.
It's still, to this day, a little insane to me that we came out the winners of the block because everybody added tremendous value to their homes. For us to be the victors of that, it's incredibly humbling.
Hello?
Hey, Mommy, do you got a minute?
Yeah.
Our names went on the sign, Mom.
You won?
We won the whole show.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome! My baby's born!
No, can you believe it?
I love you so much, girls. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. Love you too, Mommy.